In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a kid's bank account with Barclays. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do whether you already bank with Barclays or you're starting fresh. I'll walk you through the process, explain what to expect, and share a few simple tips so everything goes smoothly the first time. If you already bank with Barclays, begin by opening the Barclays app on your phone or logging into online banking on your computer. Once you're in, head to the products section. From there, look for savings or current accounts. You'll see options designed for younger customers. Choose the kids account that fits your needs and follow the on-screen steps to apply. The application will guide you to confirm your details and your child's details, review the key information, and agree to the terms. Take a moment to double-check spellings and dates because any errors can slow things down. During this process, you may be asked to book a video appointment to complete the application with a representative. If that happens, pick a time that works for you, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and keep your identification close by. The representative will verify who you are, make sure everything matches, and help finalize the application right there on the call. If you don't bank with Barclays yet, you'll need to book an appointment at a branch. Choose a day and time that gives you enough room to gather documents and arrive a little early. Bring the required identification for yourself and for the child. Acceptable documents typically include a passport or birth certificate for the child and a photo ID for you, along with proof of address such as a recent utility bill or an official letter. It's best to bring originals and, if you have them, photocopies to speed things up. When you get to the branch, the team will talk you through the kids account options, check your documents, and guide you through the application. They'll let you know if anything else is needed and help you complete each section clearly and accurately. From there, just follow the instructions provided, whether in the app, online, by video, or in the branch, and your Barclays Kids account can be set up and ready to use. Keep any welcome information and account details somewhere safe, and consider saving digital copies of important documents for your records. Policies and requirements can change over time, so if you ever need clarity, check the latest guidance in the app or at a branch. That's all it takes to open a kids bank account with Barclays.